Conspiracy theories often spread widely, but tend to crumble when examined rationally and scientifically. In this video, we'll put evidence for some common conspiracies under the microscope. First up is the moon landing hoax theory. Some claim NASA faked the lunar landings with tricks like using studio sets and harnesses to simulate low gravity. But decades of space research proves humans have indeed walked on the moon. Retroreflectors left by Apollo astronauts bounce back laser signals. Lunar rocks can only have formed on the moon, and the technology to fake it simply didn't exist in the 1960s. What about flat Earth theory? Believers claim photos from space are CGI and that GPS data is rigged. Moreover, that ships disappear over the edge. In reality, many experiments prove the Earth's curvature and rotation. The sun casts different shadows in different hemispheres. Satellites clearly show a spherical Earth. Flat Earth just doesn't align with physics and astronomy. Reptilians secretly controlling the government is another fanciful theory. This originates from misinterpreting metaphors about greed. There's zero evidence of shape-shifting reptile aliens among us. Complex problems usually have mundane solutions, not sci-fi ones. This shows the psychology behind many conspiracies. The 5G coronavirus theory took off recently. Some tie COVID-19 to new cell towers. In truth, COVID emerged before 5G and has spread widely without it. Viruses and radiation operate very differently. The Illuminati is purported to be a sinister secret society controlling governments. Where's the evidence of their influence? World events usually have more banal explanations. Powerful people socializing or donations to campaigns aren't proof of an organized global conspiracy. This myth exaggerates groups like the Bilderberg Conference. Let's look at the chemtrails conspiracy theory. The belief that the contrails left by airplanes are actually dangerous chemical agents sprayed by the government. Proponents argue the white trails don't dissipate like normal contrails. But studies show that contrails can linger if atmospheric conditions are right. Samples of contrails also find no unexpected chemicals, just frozen water vapor. Lastly, one of the most famous conspiracy theories involves the supposed crash of a UFO in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. Reports initially claimed a flying disc was recovered, but the military quickly revised this to a weather balloon. This fostered speculation of a government cover-up of alien technology. However, declassified records have poked major holes in the UFO theory. The debris photographed was consistent with balloon components, including foil-like neoprene. Witnesses also confirmed seeing balloon parts scattered widely, as expected. The exaggerated flying disc claim originated from a press release, not examination of evidence. Later, eyewitness accounts of alien autopsies have also been discredited. These came decades after the fact from a single source and contain inaccuracies about the autopsy process itself. Serious UFO researchers have concluded there is no credible evidence linking the Roswell debris to extraterrestrial craft. The Roswell incident has become ingrained as a seminal UFO legend, but looking past the initial hype and weighing all the evidence reveals prosaic explanations. The government did cover up activities at Roswell, but this involved secret balloon projects for nuclear surveillance, not alien technology. Fantastical conclusions require fantastical proof that just doesn't exist here. The strongest conspiracy theories do raise reasonable doubts, but they fall short on scientific rigor. How could generations of scientists, engineers, and officials all coordinate mass deception? Hanlon's razor suggests incompetence over malice. The bigger the claim, the more overwhelming the proof must be. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. While intriguing narratives, conspiracy theories tend to make logic leaps. Applying critical thinking instead of jumping to conclusions separates likely truth from fiction. Maintain an open but skeptical mindset. Let robust science guide conclusions, not just circumstantial ties. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.